afternoon to all of you. We are the group Shakespeare. Eh, 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 eh. Shakespeare. We gonna ring the alarm. Shakespeare. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, at the start, we will present the direction for solving a pyramid or a pyramid. Okay, at first, I will just take the part of a pyramid. First, this one is the center edge piece. And this, what do you call that? Small rectangles are the center, and one, and this part, one, two, three, is the corner. First, start solving one side of the pyramid. Pick a color to represent each side. For example, what he will pick is the color blue. Rotate the vertices until you have two vertices of the same color beside one another as shown in figure 1. Next, complete lining up the vertices of side 1. Step 3, complete the first side of the pyramid. It was completely solved. Number 4. Then correctly rotate the left vertex. Number 5. Correctly position the three remaining center edge pieces. And that's it. Thank you. The transition markers that we use are first, then, next, and finally.